Lagi mo bang sinasabi, sana noon pa ako nagsimula? Huwag mong hintayin na 40 ka na to realize that you've been doing wrong things about money. Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Araw na ito, I'm gonna share with you the 10 most common money mistakes that people realize only when it's too late. Guys, ito ang number 1 po na pagkakamali. You talk too much and listen too little. Guilty po ako dito. Masyado tayong busy na talagang ngayon magpanggap na ang galing-galing natin. Pero sa totoo lang, di ba, ikaw pa yung salita ng salita pero ikaw yung wala. Yung mga taong nakikinig, yung mga tahimik, sila pang meron. Kaya nga, instead of learning from those who are actually better than us, alam mo, suggestion ko, listen more. Learn from mentors. Read books. Attend ka ng mga sessions and seminars para madagdagan ng kaalaman mo. That's the reason why God gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth. Number 2, money mistakes. Kung bakit wala pa rin nangyayari. You take everything personally. Masyado kang emotional. Yung parang mapagsabihan ka lang, nainis ka na. Bakit? Feeling ba niya? Siya palang tama? Ako parating mali? Nako, let me tell you the truth. If someone corrects you, especially kung coach mo yan, mentor o someone you look up to, makinig ka. Correction is not rejection. It's just giving you feedback. As a matter of fact, kung may nagbibigay sa yung feedback, ibig sabihin, concern yan sa'yo. Pangatlo, you're focused only on the problem but not on the solution. Naku, ang hirap ng buhay, kulang sweldo. Kung titignan po natin ng ibang tao, marami tayo talagang pwedeng sisihin. Pero bakit din nalang tignan natin ang ating sarili? Train your eyes to look at yourself. Train your eyes to look at opportunities, not on difficulties. Pang-apat na money mistakes, kung bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa rin nangyayari, you avoid pain. Nako, sabihin ko po sa inyo walang taong tamad, pero maraming taong takot. Takot na sumubok muli dahil ayaw na nilang masaktan. Yun nga, whether you like it or not, if you want to try something, hindi mawawala na you will fail so that you can learn. The price of comfort right now is suffering later, but the price of pain is enjoying later. Kaya ikaw mamili. Number 5 mistake kung bakit ang mga tao ay naghihirap pa rin, you burn bridges. You let go of the right people. So, ang nangyayari po, yung mga taong talagang concern sa'yo, yung mga taong talagang nagsasabi po sa'yo, yan pang inaaway mo. Yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, tinutulak mo, mas minipili mo pa yung mga barkada na talagang BI po sa inyo. Guys, let me tell you the truth. If you surround yourself with negative people, you become a negative person one day. If you surround yourself with people who will push you up to the next level, you'll become successful one day. Number 6 mistake kung bakit hanggang wala pa rin nangyayari, because you're too scared to start something that is new. Takot ka na sumubok, takot ka mag-try, takot ka magnegosyo, takot ka mag-invest. Ngayon tanong ko, anong nangyayari sa buhay mo? Whether we like it or not, growth requires risk. And when you take risk, educated and calculated risk.
Guys, may good news po ako sa inyo. Do you want to know how I make business decision in seconds? Kung gusto mo laman, meet Negosyo GPT, my personal bot powered by my actual business framework. So kung gusto mong makuha to for free, again, you want to get access for free, click the link below or just type Nego GPT to gain access. See you there.
Number 7, mistake kung bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa rin nangyayari. You are more focused on the approval of other people, not for your joy. O, di ba? In other words, iniisip mo lang parati yung mga ibang tao. Hindi ko sinasabi na huwag mo isipin ng ibang tao. Sinasabi ko, masyado na. In other words, bigay ka lang ng bigay. Yung susubo mo pa, ibibigay mo pa sa ibang tao. Kasi masyado kang concerned. Too much of everything, extreme of everything is not good. Yung parang pera padala, walang naiiwan sa'yo, wala kang ipon. Walang nangyayari kasi nga, ang iniisip mo lang, parati yung kasiyahan ng ibang tao pero ikaw malungkot ka. Let me encourage you. Pwede kang tumulong pero magtira ka para sa sarili mo. Number 8 mistake, hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin nangyari sa buhay mo. No offense, Met, because you complain too much. Lagi na lang, nako, ang hirap ng buhay, walang nangyayari. Taas na ng bilihin. Kino-compare mo sa sarili mo, buti pa sila. Sa totoo lang, makokontrol mo ba yung sitwasyon? Makokontrol mo ba ibang tao? No. Alam mo, instead of complaining, why don't we start to be thinking and be grateful? Alam mo, importante yan. Matuto tayo magpasalamat kung ano man meron tayo. Let us focus on the things that we do have rather than focus on the things that we do not have. Gratitude changes your financial attitude. Number 9 mistake, bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa rin nangyari? You talk too much. Parati na lang yung kung ano nararamdaman mo, linalabas mo na lang. Ganun talaga ako In the process, ano po nangyayari? You burn bridge. Na-offend mo yung tao. Lumalayo sa yung tao. So kung ang nangyayari niyan, parati mo na lang inaaway lahat ng mga ibang tao, wala kang magiging tunay na kaibigan. Kasi para kang porcupine. Hindi ka teddy bear. You are a porcupine. And last but not the least, bakit hanggang ngayon ngayon, wala pa rin nangyari sa'yo because you didn't value yourself enough. You work hard for the money, but you never learn how to make money work for you. Yung parang kayod ka na lang kayod, minamaliit mo yung sarili mo, sinasabi mo, oh, pwede sila maging magtagumpay, pero ako, hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko. Masyado mo ina-underestimate yung sarili mo eh. Pag nagpe-presyo ka, natatakot ka, pag nagtaas ako ng presyo, baka wala na bumili. Nako, masyado mo ina-undervalue yung sarili mo. Let me tell you the truth. Kung hindi ka maniniwala sa sarili mo, sino maniniwala po sa inyo? You are the greatest investment. God has given you the ability to produce wealth. God creates a winner. He doesn't create a what? Loser. So, nagagets nyo ba? So, among the 10 money mistakes, ano ang mga nagawa mo dito? Okay, number 1, you talk too much. Number 2, you take everything personal, masyadong emotional. You focus on the problem. You avoid pain. You burn bridges. Number 6, you're too scared to start. Number 7, you are always looking for approval of others. Number 8, you complain too much. Number 9, you do not control yourself. And number 10, you didn't value yourself enough. Kung ikaw nasa 20s and 30s, nako, iwasan mo na to bago ka mag-40s. Kung ikaw nasa 40s, magsisi ka na. Kung ikaw nasa 50s and 60s, pwede ka pa rin magbago. So, ang tanong, ano po ang natutunan nyo sa session natin na ito? If you found this helpful, comment below. I'm ready to change. Maraming salamat. Sana naman natutunan kayo sa episode natin na ito. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.